Happy New Year, guys! May your New Year be full of love and happiness and hard work. Yes, make this year count. Make changes this year. Make your world shift. Make the energies change for you this year. Yeah. Happy New Year, guys. May God bless you with lots and lots of love, happiness, wealth, anything that you desire, more strength. Of obviously, like of course, each one of us need a lot of strength and patience. um, 2025 ने मुझे ये ज़रूर सिखाया कि मुझे पेशेंस की काफ़ी 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 ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. तो yeah, like you you won't believe it, but I have made notes on what I want to say today because it's so much and there's so much that I want to share, and there's no way I can without my notes. So yeah, sorry. So basically, I'll tell you about my content first. I'll explain about my content first, and that being the pillars of my content. There are four pillars of my content, and they are crimes, true crimes, and psychology, and books, and philosophy. Okay, and I'll explain why these are the four pillars for me and my content. So, the first pillar being true crime. I want to talk about true crime because that is the morally gray mirror. It is a very dark place, and instead of going into the very gore details, instead of going into the cruel details of the way crime took place, uh, of course, I won't skip what happened and how it happened, but more than the crime, we would be focusing on why the crime took place, why what was going on inside the criminal's mind, and what does it tell us about the human mind, and basically what went wrong before everything went wrong and the crime took place. So that is the first pillar of our content, and the second pillar is psychology. So this is where we ground everything together, and we'll be talking about attachment styles, abandonment issues, anything and everything. So the both of these are interlinked, the true crime and the psychology, because again, the true crime, I want to explain and talk and understand the psychology of the criminal, of a lot of people involved, and basically human mind. Okay, and what uh, not only the criminal but basically psychology, some few facts, and the way the world is functioning right now. Oh my god, yeah, so that would be our second pillar, and the third pillar would be books, of course, since I'm a reader. And how can I not talk about the books I read? I'll go crazy if I do not do that. So you'll have to sit through and listen to all the reviews about the books I've read. If it is a self help book, if it is a novel, if it is a dark romance, if it is a biography, and anything and everything, if I'm reviewing it, then make sure you see it, because am I not the sweetest reviewer ever? Oh my god, delusional, but okay. We are going to be very delusional this year, by the way. And the fourth pillar of my content creation would be philosophy. We'll be asking a lot of questions. We'll be asking why are we learning, what are we learning, if it is necessary to be, if it is necessary to be in our life as our morals and ethics, and we would be learning and unlearning a lot of stuff. And we'll just realize we won't question our belief system, but yeah, we would try to understand if this is what needs to exist in our life, if this is what we want to believe, if it is necessary to be. So yeah, so that being said, these are the four pillars that I'll be covering in my channel, and I really hope you stick around, genuinely stick around. Bye.